This niche is going viral right now. This channel right here has millions of views, and also this one has millions of views. And all they're doing is uploading simple AI puppy emotional videos. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It's the least I can ask for. First, pick the character you want to build your story around. Take a screenshot of that character, then head over to LM Arena. Upload the image and ask it, "Give me the base character prompt for this image." It'll give you a detailed text description of your character. Save that, you'll need it for everything else. Now open ChatGPT to generate a short story. Keep it simple, just a few scenes with a clear beginning, middle, and emotional end. ChatGPT will do the heavy lifting here. Just give it some direction on the mood and theme you want. Take each scene from your story and bring it into Whisk AI to generate images. Use your base character sample here so your character stays consistent across every image. Go through each scene and generate. It's straightforward. You'll see exactly how it works on screen. Now, before we turn these into videos, let me quickly tell you what actually makes these videos blow up, because the tools alone won't do it. I'll cover that right after the next step. Head over to Grok AI and upload your images one by one. For each one, describe what you want to happen in the scene. Be specific. For example, he is crying emotionally, tears rolling down his face, while a strong wind blows through his hair. The more detail you give it, the better the output. Generate as many clips as you need and move on. Here's what separates videos that get millions of views from the ones that get nothing. Emotion. Make your story sad. Make it heartfelt. Give it a tearful moment people can connect with. That's what keeps viewers watching and sharing. Don't skip this. It's the most important part of the whole process. For the music, I've already prepared a pack of background tracks you can download and use for free. The download link is in our WhatsApp channel. Go grab it and make sure you join the channel for more updates. Now let's do it the lazy way. If you don't have enough time to go through all that, you can also come to this platform, Hypernatural AI. Use your Gmail account to log in. On the interface, click here to select the kind of video you want to make. Down here, we have the Inspiration tab, where you select the video that best matches what you want to create. Over here, we have the styles of the character arts. Feel free to navigate through them. And lastly, you have the characters to choose from. Click on any inspiration to get started. I'll be clicking on this one here, 3D animation cat video. Click here to import the character sample. For the description, add something like cute and short emotional puppy character. And for the name, I'll write emotional puppy. Then click on make character. This generates the character and then creates the script for you automatically. Don't panic. You can also edit the script as you can see here. You can also change the length of the video to make it longer. Up at the top, you can change your aspect ratio and then click on Make Video. Now you can see it generates the character with different scenes, a voiceover, and animated captions. To make the character feel more lively, click here to add motion to it. Select the number of scenes you want to animate, and when you're done, click Add Motion. As you can see, it's now processing. Once it's done generating, click Export, then Export again. Click Start Export, and then click Start Download. And here is the final result, with motion.
Get up from under there, you pests! I'll crush you both!